Hello everyone. Today our topic is computer fundamentals. Before getting into this topic, for those who are watching our channel for the first time, this channel is created with an intent to make kids learning easy. It has simple knowledge based question and answers for kids. To join our channel, subscribe and press the bell button to watch more videos. So moving on to our topic. Introduction to computers. So computer is an electronic device which is used for information processing, and this computer has come from a Latin word. It is also called as a calculation machine. A computer system includes computer, peripheral devices and software. It accepts inputs, processes data, stores data and produces output. Input here refers to whatever is sent to a computer system, and the data refers to the symbols that represent facts, objects and ideas. Processing is the way that a computer manipulates data. So how a processing is done? A computer processes data in a device called the central processing unit. So, memory is an area of a computer that holds data that is waiting to be processed, stored or output. So, storage is the area where data can be left on a permanent basis. Computer output is a result produced by the computer. And to display outputs, we have few output devices that transmits the result after processing. So let's get into the computer interface. So computer basically has some input devices and it also needs some output devices. So here the input device, say example it's a keyboard. So when you type in something, the data is processed in the CPU and the primary storage. So here the primary storage is also called as the main storage, which has something like, we can say it has a motherboard, and once the data is processed, the output is given. So it will be in the monitor. And if you print something, whichever you get in on the monitor screen, that is printer. So also you need some devices to store the data. For that you are using the auxiliary storage devices, which are nothing but the disk and tape. So now let us see the capabilities of computers. So computer can store huge data. It can take input, process and give us the output. So it is also called as a processing. Coming to the characteristics of computer, computers are of high processing speed. They are accurate, reliable, versatile and they have diligence. Types of computer memories. Let's look into that. So computer memories are classified into two types, primary and secondary. So primary memories are basically short-term memories and they are RAM and ROM. RAM is random access memory, ROM is read-only memory. Secondary memories are also called as long-term memories and they can be CD, DVDs, hard disk and memory card. Let's move on to the question and answers. The first question, a computer cannot take its own decisions and it works only on man's orders, which means it has no memory, it has no IQ, it is not accurate, it is versatile. So the right answer is, it has no IQ. So computers have no intelligence, they depend on humans. Next one, the symbol shown below relates to which of the following? So you have options here, monitor, flash drive or the USB drive, microphone and a DVD. So the right option is B. The symbol shown is the USB interface. So flash drive is the right option. Next one. The first calculating machine which has wheels and gates was. Options: Pascaline, calculator, punch card, engine. The right option is Pascaline. A mathematician developed Pascaline to help his father. The gates in the machine represent numbers 1 to 9. Let us see how does it look. Next one. Which of the following device can be used to store information permanently? Options are given: printer, monitor, flash drive, and keyboard. So it's flash drive. Next one. These devices connect computer components so that they may communicate with each other. You often have more than one in a system. So how can we connect computer components? Options given: cables, headphones, keys, disks. Right option: cables. This is how they are connected. Next one. CPU is compared with which of the following organs of human body? So you have few organs of human body: heart, eyes, lungs, brain. So the right option where CPU can be compared with human body is brain. Next one. Which of the following cannot be considered as the characteristic of a computer? It cannot work without any instruction. It can perform variety of tasks. It can store large amount of data. It can work for hours. Right option: computers have no intelligence. So humans have to feed instructions for a computer to work. So the option is A. Next one. Computers help scientists in surfing in cyber caves, scientific research, launching rockets, both scientific research and launching rockets. Right option: scientific research and launching rockets. Next one. Unscramble the given word and select with which of the following devices you can relate it. So you have a word here, you need to unscramble it. So after unscrambling, the word what you get is click. So which is the device which is used to click? It's mouse. One can design dash using computers, books, buildings, interiors, all of these. So we can design using computers all of these. Moving to the question. The term computer is derived from Latin, German, Arabic, French. So it is derived from Latin. So computer comes from Latin word puter, which means to think and prove. Next one. Which device is used for internet connection? So you have options. You can see joystick, modem, speakers and printer. So the right option is modem. You also call them as modulator, demodulator. Moving to the next one. What is a light pen? Options: a mechanical input device, optical input device, electronic input device and optical output device. Right option: it's a optical input device. It allows the user to point to displayed objects or draw on the screen in a similar way to a touch screen, but with a greater positional accuracy. Next question. The instructions that tell a computer how to carry out the processing task are referred to as a computer dash processors, memories, programs, input device. So when the instructions are fed to a computer, the processing is done and we get some result. What are those? The tasks, whatever it is carried by a computer, are programs. RAM stands for options: random origin memory, random only memory, read only memory, random access memory. Right option, random access memory. Option D. RAM is a form of computer memory that can be read and changed in any order, typically used to store working data and machine code. This is how it looks. Computer memories are classified as primary and secondary, software and hardware, hardware and web access, none. The right option is primary and secondary memories. Moving on, examples of output devices are screen, printer, speaker, all of these. So the screen is nothing but the monitor. So printer is also an output device, and we hear from the speaker, that is also an output device. So the answer is all of this. Personal computers use a number of chips mounted on a main circuit board. What is the common name for such boards? Options: motherboard, daughterboard, breadboard, none. Right option, motherboard. This is how it looks. You can see lot many hardware items embedded in it. Human beings are referred to as Homo sapiens. Which device is called Silico sapiens? Options: monitor, hardware, robot, computer. Right option, computer. Next one. Which of the following is a part of the central processing unit? Options: printer, keyboard, mouse, arithmetic and logic unit. So the right option is arithmetic and logic unit. Okay kids, hope you felt it interesting and enjoyed solving the question and answers along with me. Thank you. Please like and subscribe if you would like to see more videos. Also share with your friends. Bye. Have a nice day.